Hello everyone. Um, this is a kind of daily planning video, and in this video I want to go through the upcoming topics uh, and uh, and plan what will be recorded like next, and do some preparation. So in the next video we will be talking more on technical side, not organizational side. So that's why topics for today that I have is first about the KN project. So if you are not familiar, please check the previous video on the channel. I will also create a playlist for this project. So YouTube playlist and put it in the description of this video so you can check. So first, what we will do in this video, we will organize a GitHub account or GitHub repository for this project. It will be under Coder Vlogger. And also what I want to do, I want to start immediately with a website. So it will be website name, basically domain name. So we will have a short discussion about what kind of project we want to have and what will be the name for this project. And next one, what I want to discuss is the topics. So basically, in terms of topics, this project is quite interesting, and that's why we will have different kind of topics. And some of them will be like review topics. For example, I use this Kubernetes, and also there is a tool called K9S, which is, if you watch my previous video, you will see that using this tool, I go through my Kubernetes cluster and then do some requests, so you don't have to type all this Kubernetes command or kubectl commands. That's why it's quite useful. It's a kubectl. So basically, what we will have some kind of a review topic, and I will go through this Kubernetes tool, CLI tool. And also, since it's like some kind of technical project and it's a Golang, I want to go through some Golang topics, and one of them is using SQL in combination with MySQL. What I did, I went like actually through interesting workflow. First, I started with a GORM. If you are not familiar, this is Golang ORM, but then I switched to the plain SQL, which is under the database /SQL package of Go language. It's all about Go language. So what I want to do as a part of this video, I want to give an explanation. So all these videos, they are like tutorial-like videos. But since this project is more about doing development sessions, what I want to have is dev sessions. So some topics on dev sessions. So, so at current state of the project, at the current stage of the project, what I do, I get from database websites that I want to parse. I parse these websites and get article links. As a next step, what I want to do, I want to expose this result. So expose REST API. So we can use it from outside world. And for this, what we can do, we can, let's say we decide to use kn.com, for example. It's not like available. Or let's say I know that kns.link is available. So let's say we buy this domain, and what we will do, we will have kind of API/API, and under this API we will have our REST APIs, and all these REST APIs will come from one of our backend microservices. So it will be backend microservice in Go, exposing our API. So this whole step will be one dev session. One dev session. So another dev session that I have in my mind is, so actually we have quite some issues, items that we need to solve, and another one that so this dev. I am looking at my screen. I will share it in a moment. But so this story that you see here, this is about one microservice. But this KN project consists of, for now, it consists of two microservices. So first, I call it Flash, and second one called ProfX. Again, for more information, please check the previous video. So another dev session will be working more on this project, on a Flash project, because for now it's just it's not just random, but it's like a very simple web service returning JSON, and this JSON contains environment variables, so there is nothing. So what we're gonna do is to connect it to with a MySQL database, and return some data. And just now, what I have in my mind, so what came to my mind, we also need another topic, another video on UI design for web end user. So in this video, I will go through the ideas that I have in my mind and share them with you. And some of them is like adding to the favorites. So you saw this article link and you click and you add it to your favorite. Add to favorite, which is quite usual. But what I have in my mind, which is like something different, when you have this article link and there is a link saying that it is good for newbies. So it's called good for newbie, so what does it mean? When, let's say, we have experienced developers listing our website, they see very simple article from authorized source. So it's not bad, but it's just for newbies. So what you can do, you can click on this link, and next time when newbies visit our website, there is a topic saying links, articles for newbies, and they can get from this topic information about the development. And later on, we can split this newbies information per programming language or technology. For example, we can say it's about Go, it's about React, and etc., etc. And the same way, we can have another link saying expert level, which means that you read some article about the Go language again, you like it, and you click on this link, and it means that for the next users, it will be some kind of sign that it's like expert level article. All this, we will discuss like in separate topics, all this information, all these topics. So for now, what I want to do, so as I said, as a first step, I want to discuss this one. So I will create this playlist. So this playlist I will create, I will do it after this video. And also GitHub repository, and then the website name. For now, you will pause this video and then continue with another video.